Patience pays should be the title of this video. Oh well, guys, on today's episode I have learned the art of being patient, and at the end, patience has paid. So on today's episode, we'll be flying all the way to Uganda. Guys, Ugandans have a lot of healthy recipes. Name it, be it matoke, be it groundnut soup, and look at this, sweet potato flour porridge. And when I was doing my research, because guys, I know you guys know that I'm the queen of doing research, right? When I was doing my research, I never found a lot of videos for this recipe. Okay, so that makes me a very unique food vlogger for this specific video, right? So guys, come and let's go to Uganda and let's make this Ugandan sweet potato flour porridge at the comfort of our home. Come, let's go. So guys, here we have our flour. Look at that. Focus on the color. This way I had to ensure that the lighting is perfect. Look at that. Okay, it looks like light yellow. Okay, so this is perfect. So let's get started. And but it doesn't have any lumps. It's very soft. Look at that. Look at that. Guys, like boom. So I'm going to add in scoops. Guys, comment down below and tell me, do you usually know like the exact measurements of whatever you're making? So for this recipe, you're just going to like have 2 scoops of that. Guys, I'm trying to like save, because you see we don't have a lot. Okay, we don't have a lot of these. Some water to loosen up the dough. Guys, look at that. Can you see the color change? Oh my gosh, guys, look at that. So I don't want to have any lumps. Look at that. It has a very strong color. This is why you don't even need like preservatives. Guys, comment down below, why do you need it colors, additional colors? Why? You can always have such. Okay, look at that. Perfect. So guys, this is the consistency. Look at that. Can you see? Look at that. No lumps, no nothing. Of course, when you make your porridge, you have to ensure that your water is boiling. Okay, so my water is almost boiling. Okay, yeah, so I'm just going to let it boil, and then add in our secret ingredient. So guys, you have our tools. Then we add in our flour. Guys, that is just a half. Okay, that is it there. So after that, since we don't want it to have any lumps, we start the stirring process. Better guys, comment down below and tell me, do you know how to make porridge that doesn't have lumps? Comment down below and tell me. So I'll just be stirring for some time. Guys, you know, this is my first time making this, if I'm to be honest. So I don't know for how long. I don't know how long it's going to take me for me to like stir. So guys, I'm just going to check out the time, and I hope this day that I'm going to remember to tell you guys how long it has taken me. So guys, just wait and I'll tell you. So guys, our porridge, oh my god, guys, oh, I think we're almost having something close to porridge consistency, I think. Okay, because okay, it's doubling up, but my question is, it's not turning like, guys, it's like it's not thickening up. It's not thickening up, honestly. Can you check it out? It's not. So what do I do? What do I do? So guys, I'm happy to announce that we have porridge. Look at that. The consistency is that of porridge. Exactly. Look at that. Look at that. Look at that, guys. Oh my gosh, guys, comment down below and tell me, have I done a good job? Please tell me on the comment section below. Guys, I'm happy to announce that the recipe did not disappoint, even though at some point I felt like it's going to disappoint me. There was even like there was even a point where I felt like I should even add like flour, okay, of which I did, but I just added in like just one tablespoon, okay, which was not good, guys. This is your sign to always be patient, okay? Patience pays, okay? Yeah, so this is how our porridge looks like. Thank you so much, guys, for watching. God bless you, and see you on the next video. By the way, guys, before we end the video, I almost forgot that we have not had our taste test, okay? So guys, allow me to have a taste test before we end the video. So this is my first time tasting sweet potato flour porridge, and let me give you my honest review. Okay, one, the porridge is sugarless, okay? I've not put any sugar. It's tasting like ground nuts, and I don't know whether it's called, maybe I had put my sweet potatoes in the oven and maybe they got burnt slightly. There is that burnt taste, but guys, this is something that I can take. This is something that I can take sugarless. Imagine, it is not bad. Thank you so much, guys, for watching. God bless you, and see you on the next travel. Bye, guys. Bye.